Are you a beginner who wants to learn Python, GIS, and AI from the ground up? Someone from a different professional background who is interested in upskill in coding and tech? Student or a professional curious about coding? Someone interested in open source projects and learning through practical, hands-on work? If so, you are in the right place. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm excited to introduce a brand new video series that documents my journey from scratch into the world of AI, GIS, data analytics, and software development, all tailored for practical applications. As said earlier, if you're interested in and if you believe you can do this, please join with me on this journey. I have always been deeply curious about technology, coding, data, and how we can use all of that to solve real-world problems. This series will be a learning journey for myself as well as for you. My goal is to explore how we can combine artificial intelligence, AI, geographic information systems, GIS, and Python programming to solve real engineering and geospatial challenges, like optimizing land use, analyzing terrain data, predicting environmental risk zones, or automating geotechnical workflows. I'll take you through real use cases using open source tools and data. We'll use Python as the core programming language. Libraries like GeoPandas, Folium, Scikit-learn, Shapely, Matplotlib, and more. GitHub for version control and open source collaboration, VS Code for development. All of this will be done with a minimalist setup, so anyone with just a basic laptop and Android phone can follow along. I will share with each day of progress, setting up environments, writing and testing code, debugging and refactoring, building and documenting, sharing learnings and tools. In the meantime, I will share bonus videos as well, such as tips, setbacks, reflections, tools I used. Each daily video I will show what I did, what I learned, tools or libraries I used, commits to GitHub. The idea is to show the journey, not just the destination, so you can learn, avoid the same mistakes, and grow alongside me. As someone juggling with a lot of other commitments, I understand how hard it is to find time to learn something new. That's why I'm doing this in small, realistic, focused steps, and sharing it so others like me can be inspired or follow along. I want to stay consistent, but with my work commitments, I might not upload every single day, but I will do my best to stay regular and authentic with these updates. This series is also my way of proving that you don't need to be a full-time developer to build useful things with code, AI, and data. Last but not least, by following this series, you'll learn how to set up real project environments from scratch. Understand how AI and GIS can be combined for practical use. Pick up Python coding, version control, project structuring, and data workflows. And maybe even build your first open source project. So if you're into tech, GIS, engineering, or just want to learn by watching someone build from scratch, make sure to hit subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. I'm super excited to share this with you. Let's grow together, one line of code at a time. See you in day one.